are going to learn about an experiment called pencil goes into the water bag. And you need to dip one pencil, beep, beep, two, beep, three. And the water bag is coming there, look like that. We are going to put the pencil in the water bag. And here comes the water bag. Beep, 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 beep. Huh? What is this? What is this? Put the pencil in. It's not leaking! Wow. Let's put another one. Right. Wow. That was amazing. And the last one. Let's try the black one. Whoa. This can hold 3 pencils. Whoa. And the pencil is giving the water to drink. And look at this. See? It's very heavy. See? The pencil goes into the water bag and it's not leaking. And you can try it home. And you need a water bag and 3 or 4 or not too much. Look like 10. You can get a big size, look like that one. Look like this. Ooh, you can see it because me. And watch the big one. See the big one. And this does not look like this small one. And I show you the medium sized one. And try it in your home and don't put lots of pencils. Look like 3. You got 3 pencils, you put 3 of them. And you got 4 pencils, you put it 4 of them. And you put the 5, it's not leaking. But don't put 6. And no 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, not 14. And 14 pencils, you need a big bag. And this is the end of the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's here. Click the bell button and hit the subscribe button. Bye bye. And see you again in another video. Don't forget to subscribe.